Nope. That's right, we are back in Tokyo for the next 2 weeks. Boys and girls, it is currently 5:45 a.m. We're the first ones out in the S600 with the brilliant exhaust, the $12,000 exhaust. Guys, so our buddies are staying here at a hotel here. It's literally right underneath the train station. But they said the soundproofing is not too shabby. Anyways, we're headed to the New Year's meet at the Hanyu parking lot. We're waiting for Ken and the Alfred and our buddy Patrick's E60 M5 with a V10 and the brilliant exhaust that he just installed on the car. So stay tuned. We got Max Showstack with a Giants cap. We got Cadman over here. Aaron Chun with a beanie. Anyways, check this out. We got the V12 badge. We're just waiting for a couple friends. There it is. We got the Executive Lounge Toyota Alphard with Mr. Sheep all the way in the front there. Just waiting for one more car. I'm gonna be ready to roll, guys. No, nothing? Oh, he's just turning? Ooh. Oh. He was thinking about it. Holy shit. S600 with a brilliant exhaust. We got the Alphard. Many thanks to TP, and we got the world's first E60 M5 with a V10, brilliant exhaust. Oh yeah, don't worry. We'll be getting some clips of this car very soon. We're gonna hop into the S600. Woo! Ay! Oh, nice and cozy, yeah. Great start to 2020. We got the GPS just lodged in between this little cubby hole right here. We got the wire wrapped around an owl, and we're using a dog with a little Tweety bird on top as the mount here. But we're headed to the New Year's meet with Aaron Chun at the wheel here. Look at this guy. Currently here at the Hanyu parking lot, the rest area for the annual New Year's meet. Brand new decade, ladies and gentlemen. Happy New Year. 2020 is in the works. Check this out, orange SVJ, looking pretty damn sick. We were here last year and the showing was absolutely beautiful. We got an SO63. We got a whole bunch of cars left and right here. So that being said, let's do a quick walk around and see what we see. We got the Diablo SV, we got Testarossas left and right. Wait for it, wait for the Mondo Mega Dog here. Ho, ho, ho. Look at this guy. Damn, ooh. Now this is really nice. Countach. Ferrari 599. Guys, you put on the right exhaust on this thing will scream. The brilliant exhaust and the equal length headers, 6:1 headers on a 599, literally top 10 best sounding cars of all time. I'm not even joking. I did a video with a guy who has a brilliant exhaust 599 in black with the handling package about half a year ago. I swear that's still one of my favorite videos of 2019. Linking it up, upper right hand corner, guys. Dude, I'm telling you, this car may not look like it, but it's got the V12, same engine as the Enzo. Wow, put on the right headers and the exhaust, this thing will literally melt your fucking face off. Got the Murcielago, we got the F430s. Check out this brand new SVJ. Wow, P0 tire stickers. So sick. Yeah. Guys, we got Koji right here getting recognized left and right at the Hanyu annual New Year's meet here. The owner of this Diablo SV has recognized Koji, got a selfie and the whole 9 yards. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get this guy to 100,000 subscribers, huh? Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? Oh yeah. And bringing in the big boys. Diablo VT, we got the Countach to the left there. A lot of cool old school classic cars, much cooler than the Los Angeles car scene. Dude, forget about all that hype beast nonsense and all that cloud chasing garbage. We're out here in Japan, locked and loaded, baby. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, and of course the one and only White F50, baby. Look at this, the whole Onija crew rolling in deep, man. Oh my goodness, dude, look at this. Look at this. The whole squad has showed up here at the Hanyu parking lot. Sorry. Are we rolling into 2020 or what? Wow. Telling you, we don't have squads like this in America, at least in Los Angeles. The squad game in Los Angeles is extremely weak. Meanwhile, here in Japan, say what you want to say about these body kits, I think they're pretty damn sick. As an entire squad rolling in together, it looks pretty damn baller. Look at these guys. These guys got the doors up. Holy, the whole lineup all the way down, baby. Look at this, all the way down. Look at the wheels, baby. They're glistening in the sunlight. Gold, baby. 100%. Old school is the new school. Forget all that nonsense cloud chasing crap that you see in Los Angeles. Look at this Testarossa with a crazy diffuser and the wing. What is going on there? Look at this. Oh yeah, more Diablos. Oh yeah. Woo! God damn. Now this is a classic. This is a classic Stradman spec. Completely stock Gallardo right here. I like that. Keeping it classy, man. Keeping it classy. Oh wow, GT2 RS. Yeah. Leave nothing stock here in Japan. Holy crap. Look at that. Emblazoned Team Onija. Rolling in strong. The greatest in the world. We got a pretty stock 430. Not so stock 430 with a roof scoop. Look at the Mondo dogs here. Double down. Yeah. So heavy. Amazing. The Team Onija crew, at least some of them are about to roll out. Last year they just U-turned and went to the other side and stopped there, but oh yeah. Oh boy, let's get some launches out. Left to give, you start modifying your 40th anniversary Murcielago 6-speed, but it looks pretty damn clean though. So now this is a combo, guys. A lot of the cars are leaving now. We got the Countach in yellow right next to the yellow 512 TR. That is pretty damn sick. Someone just purple here with the bronze wheels. Hold on, let's go to the other side right over here. There it is, 1/63. Very good spec. We got a Lorenzer kitted SL here. Oh my goodness. Wow, no, this is a throwback. Woo. Got the whole Anija squad right over here. We got the M5, we got the Alphard, we got the S600, and of course the E60 M5, which by the way needs some oil. We'll be doing that very shortly, but for the time being, I think we're gonna bounce, but not bad for the Hanyu parking lot New Year's meet. We'll be getting more tunnel runs with this particular car very soon. Don't worry guys, stay tuned. We gotta bounce for now. All right, let's get a start up with the valves open. Here we go. You hear the difference right there. And now the valve's closed. Oh yeah, silent but deadly. Now, I don't know what's going on, Mr. Sasaki, but he's given Patrick 2 remotes, and it's got like a nice little rubbery texture, and they're brand new. He's got 2, I only got 1. All right, so Alex Penfold has been talking about a Porsche GT3. He wants to get one in the near future, but I don't know. There's a lot of fuckboys in Los Angeles with this particular car. That being said, should Alex Penfold get a GT3 as his next car? Let me know in the comments below. We have a very, very special video planned. If this video gets, let's do 4,000 likes on this video, we'll take the E60 M5 with the $14,000 exhaust and my S600 with the $12,000 exhaust to a very, very undisclosed location, and we'll do a rev off. We'll do a couple pulls side by side to compare the difference between a $12,000 and this $14,000 exhaust, all by Mr. Sasaki at Brilliant Exhaust. We did 3,000 last time and we totally killed it. 4,000 likes, guys. Smash that like button, guys. Let's roll. Hold on a second, guys. Quick detour at the Lamborghini dealership here in Meguro. We got a Murcielago SV in matte white. Ooh, that looks nice. We got 2 Aventador SVs right up there. Oh, we just spoke with the very polite gentleman inside. This thing's got 2,760 kilometers. They're asking for around $500,000. So, original tires, basically a brand new car. Alright, we should probably go now. Exiting Daikaku here, headed to Tatsumi. We got cash spots at the wheel here. Rolled on all the windows. Oh God, all right, here we go. Give it some space, give it some space. Here we go. Die. Oh, fuck it. Oh, God. Ooh. It's got like a little burble tune going on there. The backfires. So we found the culprit for this disaster in the tunnel en route to Tatsumi. Uh-oh. That's not literally the worst place to break down, right? Oh, fuck. Okay. They had a little... Never mind. Look, this guy's doing homework in the back seat of the S-Class. We'll have a little rev battle with the M5. Oh my goodness, this traffic is terrible.